Rescue is the key product for NuCalm. We recommend Rescue to every human on Earth, in utero to 100 years old. It doesn't matter who you are, where you are, how you live, why you live, your disease state, your athletic prowess. It doesn't matter. We as a human species are prone to stress every day. Rescue solves stress in the midbrain. It's the only solution in the world that solves stress at its source in the midbrain. So for Rescue, it is an experience. Find a safe, comfortable place, preferably laying down in your bed or a hotel bed. Eye mask, headphone, and the mobile app. So you get your mobile app, you find Rescue, you select Rescue, and you'll see there's a lot of different time opportunities. The time is inconsequential. Your brain knows how much recovery you need at that moment. So you're going to be in there for as long as you need. But you can select whatever you want. There are two ways to deliver a signal to the human brain and to basically guide it up or down. One way is called binaural beat or binaural signal processing. The second way is called isochronic waveform. Our physics platform uses both methodologies to deliver a signal to your brain that your brain synchronizes to and then follows it down or up. So binaural beat or binaural signal processing is a delivery of a signal. The importance and why NuCalm is so unique is the method, the physics, the software, the platform of the signal we're providing to the brain. This isn't a delivery mechanism, this is a solution. So, headphone. You can use this headphone here, it's convenient. It's got 360-degree spatial physics audio. Headphone, eye mask. I should put it on first, but you get the idea. Eye mask. Select Rescue, and voila.